InShot has a feature known as motion tracking, so all you have to do is to add a sticker or text and you can move it around like. You can also hide any sensitive content and you can also label a moving person or object by using this feature. First of all, open InShot and import your video. Then tap on the sticker tab and then tap details and place it on your object's face and select the duration. Then select the details from timeline and tap on the tracking tab. Then tap on face tracking and start tracking. So now you can see the blur moves with your object's motion. And now I will show how to use motion tracking in text. Tap on the text and write your text. Then set the duration of your text from timeline. Then go on the tracking tab and select target tracking and select your target where you have to move your text. Now you can see the text moves with your motion of your target. Then all you have to do is tap on the export tab and select resolution and export your video.